What if you could witness real life magic unfold before your very eyes? Today's practice is all about using gratitude to see positive changes happen instantly just in front of your eyes. Stay with me till the end because once you master this, you will start noticing miracles happen in your life every day. So let's start with day 22 before your very eyes. So day 22 before your very eyes. In this picture you can see there is a magic stick, and today's day is all about seeing miracles and magic happen throughout the day, right? So let's start what you need to do for this practice. This world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle, wonderful, incredible, magical, and more to whosoever will think of it. Basically, if you believe that yes, everything is possible, it's magical, there are miracles happening all around the world, then you will witness as well, right? This world is full of miracles waiting for you to unfold. Okay, 7 years ago, when I discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all my desires. It was a long list. At that time, there seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and I carried them with me on a very piece of paper every day. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read throughout, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind, and I would say the magic word thank you for it multiple times in a day and feel as if it had come true. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before my very eyes. As I received my desires, I could cross them off my list, and when I had new desires, I would add them to my list. So basically this practice she started 7 years ago. Okay, that time she started believing in this magic of secret, the magical power of gratitude, and she made that list which we were also asked to prepare before we started our day's practice. Okay, so each and every desire, for each desire she expressed her gratitude, her feeling of visualization and imagination. And slowly and gradually, in front of her very eyes, all her desires and dreams got fulfilled, right? And she kept on adding more and more desires to that list. That's what she has asked us also to do, so that we can see our desires happening just in front of our very eyes, right? One of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora, I had listed another beautiful thing happened. I was flying to the mainland of Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to the brim with natives, Tahitians, and suddenly laughter, smiling faces, and a happiness that was palpable surrounded me. As I enjoyed the short flight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be with each other. They were grateful for where they were going. They were grateful for everything. I could have stayed on that plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them. And then it struck me that I had just received my final desire. Bora Bora was the last desire on my original long list, and the reason I was on that plane was before my very eyes, gratitude. Because she was grateful for each and every desire, that was the reason why she could fulfill her dream of traveling to Bora Bora, right? In that flight, each and everyone were so happy, so grateful, so joyous, okay? Through that, she could realize the importance of gratitude, of being thankful, of being feel blessed, right? I have shared this story as an inspiration for you because no matter how big your desires seem to be, you can receive them through gratitude. Even more than that, gratitude will bring a joy and happiness for life that you have felt before, and that is truly priceless. So no matter how big your desires are or how small your desires are, you can actually fulfill each one of them through gratitude. If you have belief in that, if you have faith in that, then you are going to achieve it, right? From the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received my final desires on my original list was 4 years. To give you an idea of the enormousness of receiving all my desires in that amount of time, when I created my desire list, my company was $2 million in debt. And I had 2 months before I would be forced to shut it down and would lose my home and everything I owned. The money I owed on my personal credit cards was a small fortune, and yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean, to travel to exotic places in the world. You have paid all my debts, to expand my company, to restore every relationship to the best it could be, improve the quality of my family's life, to be 100% healthy again and have unlimited energy and excitement for life, along with the usual list of material things. And my number one desire, which seemed like an absolute impossibility to many of the people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work. The very first desire that I received was bringing joy to millions of people through my work. The rest of my desires magically followed in one by one as they appeared before my very eyes. I crossed them off my list. When she prepared her desire list, she started crossing them off as and when it got, fulfilled. So basically, you also need to do the same thing. And her dream of giving joy and happiness to millions of people came true through this book. Through this book, all the other desires kept on fulfilling one by one, right? That's what we also need to do. So now it's your turn to use gratitude's magical power to make your desires appear before your very eyes. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list, and for 1 minute imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much as gratitude you can and as if you have it now. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least 2 occasions in the day. Take out your list, reread it, and feel as much gratitude for each one as you can, as if you have received it. तो आज आपको क्या करना है, आपका जो डिजायर लिस्ट है वो आपको कैरी करना है और एटलीस्ट 2 ओकेजन्स में आपको निकाल के उसको देखना है, ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करना है, एक्सप्रेस करना है, थैंक यू बोलना है, राइट? If you want your desires to come more quickly, I would highly recommend that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from this day forward, and whenever you have time, open it up, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each one. When your desires appear before your very eyes, cross them off your list and add more. And if you are like me, each time you cross a desire off, your list will be in tears of joy because what seemed impossible was made possible through the magical power of gratitude. तो अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि आपके डिजायर्स फुलफिल हो, आपके ड्रीम्स फुलफिल हो, तो आप वो जो आपने डिजायर लिस्ट बनाया है उसको अपने पॉकेट में रखिए या अपने वॉलेट में रखिए और आज से हमेशा उसको कैरी करिए. कभी भी टाइम मिले उसको निकाल के उसको देखिए, उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करिए, थैंक यू बोलिए और फील करिए एज इफ वो हो गया, राइट? एंड यू विल सी मैजिकल थिंग्स हैपनिंग, ओके, इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स हैपनिंग just in front of your very eyes, right? So this was all about day 22 before your very eyes, because this practice is all about magically unfold your desires, your dreams, your aspirations, and it helps you to witness those things happening in real life. Right? So today's practice before your very eyes, first is count your blessings that we have been doing like all this while. Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, and thank you. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created before, right? Then read through each sentence and desires on your list, and for 1 minute imagine and visualize that you have received it and feel as much gratitude as you can be. Then you can carry your list with you today in your pocket on at least 2 occasions in a day. Take that list out and read it and feel as much grateful as you can be. And then you need to do the magic rock practice. Just before you sleep, held it in your hand and say thank you for the best thing that has happened throughout the day. So this practice will help you to witness magic happening just before your very eyes, right? You can incorporate this in your daily routine also. Keep your desire list in your wallet, in your purse, so that whenever you get time, you can take it out and reread it and feel as grateful as you can be, right? So this was all about day 22. Stay tuned for day 23, which is magical air that you breathe. Okay, that will be uploaded tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much.